Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what are the latest trends in equipment and technology solutions? Well, hot off the press of ProMat 2025, we'll give you three key insights. Number one, automate, automate, and automate. Every single client wants to go faster, increase the quality with less labor. Well, that means automation. It'll also provide enhanced customer value. Number two, maximize, optimize, and in essence, do more with less. In addition to better leveraging technology and ERP, you can think about optimizing your space. In your warehouse, you can go vertical. In your trucks, you can improve your packaging configurations. And in your manufacturing floor, you can improve your production scheduling and get more maximum output. Number three is to encourage innovation. We have to be creating subcultures of innovation and looking at transforming our supply chain so that we can be ready for tomorrow's customer needs today and be ready to scale.